Boom, there is a new stuff online right now on Power BI. It has just been released, so I want you to check it out. So if you go to File, then you go to Options and Settings, you go to Options, and you're going to see something, and it's just beautiful. You don't need to stress yourself over a switch and the different things that we do between the dimension files. So check the preview. There's something called field parameters. Now imagine you want to do analysis on different type of fields. They're like dimensions, but they are not connected. You know those issues that we used to have. So let's see what Power BI has done. You go to modeling. You're going to see new parameters. So I'm going to click on field. Then let me change this to test parameter, something like that. You get? And I want to test, let's say, the month name. Now they are not connected, so I'm going to pick the ones that are just not connected. And products. Let me go to location and let me pick country, something like that. Let me pick country, or let me just pick branch because I'm not sure. So let's do that. So right now, it's going to create something for us. So have you seen? It has created this for us, and that is just what we want to do. Then I'm going to go outside, so it becomes like a slicer for us. But I want to analyze this. I'm going to bring it out. Then I bring in my values. Right now, I'm going to go to test analyze parameter, and I'm going to just chop it on my y-axis. Boom. Woo. Crazy. Then I'm going to analyze by product, visiting by branch. You don't stress yourself anymore. And that is cool.